This truck came out of Wisconsin in the late 80s or early 90s. Father-in-law paid $8,500 for it at that time. But the father-in-law had 4 old pickups, and he gave each one of his kids one. And this 35 Ford is the one that my wife got. It's pretty much all original. I've been told there might be a couple things from a different year, but yeah, the restoration is 30-some years old. But I guess every year in the Fords, the grill was a little bit different. Between, was it 31 up through whatever they quit making these. And one guy over here told me that the shape on this is not as square as the 34. He said it's a little more aerodynamic shape on the hood and the roof on it. It's just a driver. It's something to drive around town, go to church, go get an ice cream cone. We had a few minor oil leaks that Jake, your one mechanic, was able to take care of. Had a fuse go out on the ignition one day, and we had to tow it down here. And some steering stuff. Make sure the gauges were working. They got the horn working, the headlights are working. Other than that, it's just drive it every day.
Sure.
It's running good. If we start to have another problem, it'll be down here. In the winter, it's not going to drive. It's just going to sit in the garage.
Sure.
Oh, I love the color. I absolutely love the color, and I love the logo that they have for the V8.